What's up, squad? It's your girl, Diana. My baby saying hi, squad. Y'all probably can't see her, but she's back there. Guys, today is actually Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday, and we decided to get out and go to the beach. Since the beach has been open, they have been packed, so we have not went. Everybody's at work, at least we think. So we're going to go to a small beach just to get out the house, relax, let the kids, well, let my granddaughter run around and the other grown kids run around. But we're just getting out to enjoy it. I don't know what she's singing back there. But anyway, guys.
Hey, guys.
So, y'all know Princess J. So, yeah. So, anyway, yeah, guys. Look at her cup. Got her kid's name on it. That's pretty with the juice in there. You brought the other juice?
No.
She didn't bring the Kool-Aid. She made Kool-Aid and didn't bring it. But anyway, guys, we're going to get ready to go. We will see you guys at our next stop. Bye. There's no one like you. We had to come to Walmart again. Look. She's coming. Say hi. Look, just excited. Really, Granny? You're going to fall. You see Granny? Oh, Granny coming. She's that excited. She took off her shoes, but we got them.
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah, walking.
Yeah, ready. She said, where's... Guys, believe it or not, we are just getting over here to North Beach. So that what you've seen in that clip before this was us coming over our harbor bridge. And I got it because they're actually tearing that bridge down and they're building us a new one. So we are here on the north side of Corpus Christi. We're going to North Beach. Yeah. And believe it or not, it's already going to be 2 o'clock. We started out, I know about, what time we started out? It was 11, almost 12, somewhere in there. Sit down. But we went to Walmart. And then we had to stop and get ice. And then they went to go get, my mom went to go get some shorts, which she forgot to get them out the car to put them on. We got hats to put on. Yeah, so we're going to see y'all when we get down there. So you guys stay in tune. Do not skip the video. Thank you for coming on. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that bell for post notifications. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Because we're going to enjoy our day safely, okay? We got the tent we're going to put up, so y'all stay tuned. I'll keep you in tune and all that. Bye, guys. Made it now. If you can see, everybody has to be at least 6 feet apart. And we also going to follow the guidelines. I just want you guys to see. So, Mom and them are putting up the tent. As you guys can see, brand new tin, so look at Journey. But anyway, guys, y'all can see everybody. We're gonna be 6 feet. We go 10 feet away, I guess you could say. But anyway, we're doing. Well, hi, baby. Yeah. All right, guys. So far, we thought we were gonna have a hard time. Look at that big boat, guys, out there. Woo. Trying to get a picture of it. Actually selling. They're gonna get you, baby. Watch it, Journey. Watch it, baby. Alright, guys, so finally got him in the water. And so, everybody feeding the sand. No, baby, don't throw the sand. Because if they're going to eat sand, they live out here in the sand. Finally got baby J-Love. She's fed and sleep. So, anyway, we're just relaxing now, guys. We probably, as you can see, we're in a table by ourselves. Even in the front area, guys, you can see. We're not playing. We just came to enjoy it, but we're going to do it safely. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so that's it. My son-in-law is taking the tin down. I tried to catch him before he took it down, but he got that backpack down. He said he got it. He got that. Don't underestimate her husband. What did I say? Backpack. No, because you asked me where your backpack was. But anyway, guys, we're going to put her in the trunk. That's where you going to stay at. You got a remote.
No.
You want to stay? We're going to leave you in there.
No, Mom, sorry.
Okay, bye. Stay in there. Bye, Journey.
Okay.
We're going to leave you in the trunk. And the remote. Did it, guys. He did it. He got it down, guys. I didn't think you could do it, boy. I didn't think you could do it. I didn't think you could do it. You did it. Look, she's taking a picture of her husband. She love her little black husband. Give him a kiss, girl. Give him another one, girl. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. I think so. Oh, she did it. Look where y'all child at. This is where we gonna leave y'all daughter. She catching a ride in the trunk. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, actually May 29, 2020, guys. I'm just now ending this video, or yet better at putting a closing to the video from when we went to the beach. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on my way to my mom's house. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you and welcome new subscribers. You have joined a great family. We are a family of love and peace, and we hope that you are a family of love and peace as well. God bless you on today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.